For number 25, Ms. Fox asked her class, is the sum of 4.2 and square root of 2 rational or irrational? Patrick said that they are irrational. You need to state whether Patrick is correct or incorrect. I said Patrick is correct. I made a statement, and then I justified it with an explanation, because the sum of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. This is all they're looking for, is a statement and then a justification. For number 26, you're just paying attention to the table. It says, what percentage of 9th grade students belong to more than one club? So more than one is going to be 33 and 12, so that's 45. They're telling you there's 180 total in the 9th grade, so we're going to say 45 out of 180. This gives us 0.25, but they're asking for a percentage, so we have to multiply this by 100 to get percent. Your answer is 25%. Number 27, a function is shown in the table. If included in the table, which ordered pair, -4, 1, or 1, -4, would result in a relation that is no longer a function? Explain your answer. Now, things to remember is that a function does not have repeated x values, and x values in a function pair to only one y. So notice how -4 is pairing to 2. So if I included -4 and 1 in this table, it would no longer be a function because it's pairing to 2 and pairing to 1. So again, which of those two? You have to answer the question. -4, 1, because then -4 would have two pairings. And if you want to put in parentheses what they would be, 2 and 1, whatever. Okay, I stated my answer with an explanation. Number 28 says, subtract this trinomial from this trinomial, express the result as a trinomial. Think about this statement. If you're going to the store from home, where did you start? Hopefully you said you started at home. So therefore, anything that comes after the word from is your starting trinomial. So what I'm going to do is do 3x squared plus 8x minus 7 minus 5x squared. Now remember, you're subtracting a trinomial, so you're going to have to distribute that -1. So I get minus 2x and then plus 11. Combining like terms, I get -2x squared. 8x minus 2x is 6x. And then basically saying -7 plus 11 is plus 4. Number 29 says to solve this equation algebraically for x. So what I did was I subtracted 7 to the other side, set equal to 0. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula. A is 4, B is -12, and C is -7. -12 plus or minus -12 squared minus 4 times 4 times -7 all over 2 times 4. This is nothing more than plugging all these values in the right spots and then simplifying. Simplifying the next row, I get positive 12. 144, and then all of this is going to simplify to plus 112. 144 plus 112 is going to give me 256. 12 plus or minus the square root of 256 all over 8. Now what this means, actually, you know what, I'm just going to simplify square root of 256 because this is a perfect square, and I get 16. Now what this means is I have two answers. I have 12 plus 16 over 8, and I have 12 minus 16 over 8. So in your calculator, if you do 12 plus 16, you get 28, and then 28 divided by 8 is going to be 3.5. This is one of your answers. 12 minus 16 is -4. -4 divided by 8 is -0.5.